still was a good video. So make sure you give it a thumbs up. Welcome back to my channel. It is Taygeetaya here, and today I'm just gonna be doing about me unpackaging my mail. My last video, which is this one right here. My lips were moving slow. That's because I was posting at 1 o'clock in the morning. Please always check your videos before you post them. Always check your videos, or it's gonna end up like this. But you know, it still was a good video. So make sure you give it a thumbs up and smash that like button and subscribe. Okay, so my first item is, I opened this already because I had to make sure that my package came. I've been supposed to do this video, but you know, yeah, I've been supposed to do this video. Okay, so the first item I got was a green screen. This is gonna go right behind me, and it's gonna be for my kids' channel, so make sure you check out their channel. The link is in the description, baby. Alright. I don't even know what I got. It's been a minute. I ain't gonna even hold you. Y'all know I'm not good at opening stuff, like. I'm so horrible at opening stuff. Oh. Where's my scissors? Where is my scissors? You know they blue. You know they blue. You know they blue or whatever. Alright, so. Got my scissors. I don't know what this is. Oh, okay. So I got these little tools right here. They're for my face, for my pimples. Yo, I be so bored. So I just be popping my pimples. These are some pimple tools. I like popping pimples, but I'm a freak when it comes to that. That's weird, but that's what I like. Let's see what it is. Hair, like it'd be fun. Here we go. Oh, okay. Rose gold. I got 4 pimple poppers, bro. What is this? We're about to see what this is. I got boxing gloves, bro. Like, I got some boxing gloves. Like, you want to fight? Let's box. I don't think I got small hands. So like, yeah, anybody want to fight? Anybody fight? Look at this. You see that? Okay, these are cute. I got like a little smiley face because I'm not really trying to hurt nobody. I'm not really trying to hurt nobody out here. Alright, so number 3. I'm so happy. I just be bored. I just be shopping because ain't nothing else to do right now. We still in can't go. Everything is closed, so I want to make more videos. I want to make more videos outside, but everything is closed. So Y'all gonna see me make this for a minute. Okay, I got some got to be glue. This is for all my ladies. When you wanna glue your hair, get well put together. Wow, they packaged it well. This is the best. Get this, girls, for your hair. The best glue on period. That's it. The best glue. Amazon. I only paid, I think, less than $5 for this big ass bottle. I'm not sure. I don't remember. But the bigger the better. This is another package that I opened because I had to make sure that it was here. So, I got some makeup brushes. Babe. This is my best friend right here. This is what it came in. Oh. Hey. Look at these. My makeup is waiting for me, like, I can't wait to use these. Oh, I was trying to do a thumbnail, but I don't know if I want to use these brushes because, baby, there's more. Comes with a makeup scrubber to clean it. This is perfect. So, really good choice. I want to Wish for some products. You know what? Wish is good. They got some good stuff, but they just take forever. So long, but I was like, you know what am I doing? I don't got nothing else to do. So, I got some of them gloss. Lip gloss. I know these are all makeup though. Some more lip gloss. I never wore, they make your lips moist. This is to make your lips very moisturizing them. Which is good too, but it takes so long, but whatever. I haven't worn earrings in a long time. I have this one. I really don't know what this is. I think it's eyelashes. I love. I'm hyped. So my waist trainer finally came in. Baby, I've been eating a lot. So what else can I do? Like, I'm always eating. So let's see how this is. You see this? This gotta go. Like, no, this is not acceptable at all. What am I? So I'm gonna put this on. I got makeup all over me, so don't mind that. I think I'm gonna read instructions later, but y'all get the point. I need this because I be eating so much, okay? Yeah. So yeah, I'll get it. I'll figure it out. I'll read the directions after this video, baby, because this waist needs to be snatched and not be snacked. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed this video.